YouTube, I want to make this quick video on how to repair this Ryobi 1 Plus and teleport technology. Maximizes battery life, protects battery cells, and conserves energy. And well, anyways, what it's doing, it wasn't charging. So what I did was open it up. It has some security screws on there, so you're gonna need to buy a little set. I picked this one up at Harbor Freight. So there's little security screws. What you do is you open this up, and in here you really can't tell now because it's clean, but you could see a little bit of water corrosion. I'm trying to find it. Of calcium buildup. I don't see any more. Dang, I did a pretty good job of cleaning it up. No wonder it worked. You can see a little bit down here, but let's see if I get at the camera. Not really, but anyways, you can see it a little bit. Anyways, what I did was I just, whoa, it still has electricity going through. Anyways, what I did is just clean this up. All I did was just clean this up like this. Clean up all the contacts on it, and I gave it a try. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together. Alright, so there I have it plugged in. The light is on. We're gonna go ahead and put our battery. It's gonna blink and it's starting to charge. What I used to do before it used to start to charge, and then it'd go back into this one here into safety mode. But it's charging the battery now, and I just wanted to share that. Keep bumping into my speaker, that's why it keeps turning on. Listening to some Snoop Dogg. And anyways, so there, it's working. I just wanted to share that real quick because I was about to throw this charger out, and I decided to open it up, and I seen that water buildup. Cleaned that water buildup, plugged it back in, and it's obviously charging. It's working. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh, the model on this one is a P117 charger. Sweet. Thank you.